Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Binance application on your PC. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To download Binance application on your PC, you'll need to download it via an Android emulator. There are multitudes of Android emulators available in the market. In my case, I've downloaded Bluestacks. Download any Android emulator that you find comfortable and click it open. I'm opening Bluestacks since I have Bluestacks installed on my device. After you open Bluestacks, go and click on the Play Store option. Now, search for apps and games in the search box by typing it in. Type in Binance, and after you search for it, you'll be able to find it in the search result. To be able to find it in the search result, you might need to log into your Google account by entering your Google credentials. Click on the install button to download it on your device and wait for the download to finish. After the download is done, wait until it installs on your device. Now, after it is done, click on Open. And that is it. That is how you can easily download Binance on your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.